Good morning, children. I welcome you all to the today's class. So today we are going to start a new lesson. So our today's lesson is Scratch. So let us see what is a Scratch. This is the part 1, children. So Scratch. So basically what is this Scratch? Scratch is a software which is used for fun. Okay, it is an educational software only. It is very easy to use and also to learn. So basically, why we are using this Scratch programming? We are using this Scratch programming to create some stories, games, animations, and many more using some blocks that are provided in that particular software. Okay. Next. So we already discussed that we are using software, Scratch software for creating some animations. Animations means what, children? Creating some sort of movies or some set of drawings, photographs and all. Means what? Using these all, we are creating some movement of some objects that are being used in this particular Scratch programming. Okay, so basically what is an animation? Animation is a way of making a movie by using a series of drawings or photographs of objects that are slightly different from one another, and that when viewed quickly one after another creates the appearance of movement. That means whatever objects we are using in this particular software, when we are making some change or clicking immediately one after the another, it creates some appearance of movement. Okay, that means we feel like they are moving. Okay, children. Next, so as we already discussed, we are going to learn Scratch programming. So we should know what are available on that particular Scratch screen. Okay, so basically we'll be having these following components. What are they? Blocks pane, script area, stage, sprites, current sprite info, sprite list, and background. Okay, so children, one thing I want to clear you for you all. This is an introduction lesson, first part. And this, from the second part, I'll directly show you that particular Scratch window, the particular Scratch screen, and I'll be operating the particular Scratch screen, and I'll show you so that you people can easily understand what is actually happening over there. Okay. Next. So these are the components that are available on a Scratch screen. Next. So let us see one after the other. Blocks pane. Blocks pane means what? In this particular blocks pane, we'll be having different colored blocks that can be connected to one another. So for preparing some sort of puzzles or to create animations, games and stories and all. Okay. So how many blocks will be there? There will be 8 colored coded blocks. Remember clearly, children, 8 color coded blocks will be available in Scratch. Okay. Next, what is meant by code? Code is nothing but giving instructions to a computer to perform a particular task. Okay. What is meant by code? Code means nothing but giving instructions to a computer to write a program or to perform a specific task. Clear? Next, let us see what are those blocks. As we already discussed it, there are 8 colored blocks. What are they? Motion, control, looks, sensing, sound, operator, pen, and variables. I repeat them again, children. Please remember them. These are the most important things that are to be remembered. Okay? Motion, control, looks, sensing, sound, operator, pen, and variables. Okay, children? Next, script area. Script area means what? It is the area where we will be adding these particular blocks. We already discussed it, no children. We will be adding some blocks so that they will be creating some sort of animation. Okay. So, but we should have some place now where we should create all these sort of animations and all. That particular area is what called as script area. That means we'll be bringing whatever blocks are available in the Scratch. We'll be bringing all those blocks and we'll be pasting them on this particular script area. Okay. So basically, what is a script? A script is a collection of blocks. As we already discussed, script means what? It is a collection of blocks that are interlocked with one another for creating animations. Interlocked means how we are joining the puzzles. I think you all have done the puzzles, right? In that, what we'll be doing, we'll be joining one puzzle, one card with another card. That means we are locking with one another. Same happens here also. So a script is a collection of blocks that are interlocked with one another for creating animation, stories and games. Okay. Next, stage. Stage means when the mouse is moved anywhere on the white area of the screen, the value of x and y coordinates changes. There is some particular area, white area will be there. As we will be joining those blocks in the script area, that will be appeared on this white area, which is called as stage. I will show the clear picture in the next slide, children. Okay. So what is this stage? This stage is divided into x and y grid. Okay, that means it is divided into two parts, x and y. So it is having 480 units wide and 360 units long. And the middle of the stage has x and y coordinate as 0 and 0. Okay, so basically what is this stage? It is a white area which whenever we'll be writing a script in the script area, that particular script area's resemblance will be shown on the stage. Okay, and whenever we are moving the mouse on the white area of the screen, the values of x and y coordinates will be changing. Okay. Next, how much the length of the stage also is given as 480 units it will be wide and 360 units it will be long. Okay, and at the middle of the stage the x and y coordinates will be having 0 and 0 values. Okay children. Next, and this particular stage also has two more buttons which is called as green and stop everything. Green color flag and a stop everything button will be available. Green color flag, which means it will be resembling that whenever we'll be clicking on that particular button, start green flag button, the script will be activated. And whenever we'll be clicking on the stop everything button, the scripts will be stopped. Okay. So now I'll show you the Scratch screen. So see it clearly so that you will be able to understand. So this is the Scratch screen, children. Okay. So here you are able to see some image of a cat now in the white space. That particular cat is what called as Scratch. Okay. What is this particular cat is what called as the default Scratch item. Okay. So here see on the top you are able to see a green color flag and red color button. Whenever you will be clicking on a green color flag, whatever scripts we are writing, those will be activated. And once if we click on the red color button, whatever the scripts have been activated, those will be deactivated. That means they will be stopped. Okay. This is what entire window is a Scratch editor window. Okay. Here see you are having 8 coded blocks: motion, looks, sound, pen, data, events, control, sensing, operators and more blocks. Okay children. And the side one is what called as the script area. Okay. And next, in this script area you are able to see x0, y0. Okay, and the middle one which you are able to see the scripts, costumes and sounds, it is what called as the blocks pane. Okay children, in the next class I will show you the entire operation of this particular window of this scratch. So today's class is the introduction class. I hope you all understood today's class. So I hope you will be eagerly waiting for the next class to see the entire scratch window, how it is working and all. So we'll meet you in the next class children. Thank you.